guys, it's Chantale from Lepage Cafe. I am here to show you a flip through of this journal that I have created. It is a soft cover, sunflower themed. There's a doily on top. It is very soft, pliable. Sorry if I'm shaking my phone. It is made with a manila envelope inside. It's very soft, and it's got a couple pockets in the front and the back. There's the back. Lots of stitching in here. Nikki from Musing from Nikki, this is one of her kits, had contacted me in September and asked if I wanted to try out one of her kits and just for fun and see if I enjoyed them, and possibly kind of did like a guest design team for her to show her kits off and to show what I could create with them. I was excited about it, and I was supposed to do it in October, and then life got busy. I've always loved sunflowers. They remind me of my dad, who passed away with cancer. It was his favorite flower, and every year I make sure that we put some in to remind ourselves of him. Anyways, so sunflowers have always held a very special place for me. So this kit is just gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's got so many, it's soft. So I have all of her pages. Hi. Oh yeah, okay. I have this is her papers as well, and on this side there is some little smaller tea-dyed papers. There's some this is some scrapbooking paper I had that just seemed to work well with it. Here's one of her cards that I have backed with tea-dyed paper. I will have this journal up for sale on my Instagram. I'm taking a break from Etsy. I'm not sure if I will go back. I'm trying out Instagram just because there's a lot of extra fees. So I will be taking PayPal payments. That's how I'm going to work for now. Try that out and see how that works. Hope that's okay with you guys. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, please go check out the link. I will put the link as to where I sell them. And I will have different sales, and there's all kinds of Christmas journals right now on my Instagram, so I hope you go check it out. So here it is. It is more of a writing journal. There are some labels that I haven't attached yet. Oh, I forgot to close that. This is an envelope. I just didn't glue it down yet, but I will. Sometimes, you know, forgot those little things. But anyways, it will be closed down or glued down. I'm sorry, Nikki, I didn't show this earlier, but you know, life happens sometimes and you just have to roll with it. Yeah, so it has quite a bit of papers, quite a bit of pages. There's another beautiful card. I actually have started a second one, but I haven't had the chance to finish it. I really wanted to get the Christmas journals out. And in my on my Instagram page, my business page. So that's why I haven't finished the second one. But I figured I might as well release this one. There's a lot of stitching in it. I just love it. I just love it. But and I will also link Nikki's beautiful digitals and the link to this digital itself and her YouTube channel. She has some amazing, awesome digitals. So this was so much fun to create. I had a lot of fun, and I just love all the ruffles. Here is a little bit of avocado dyed coffee filter. Okay, I'm still going. This page I love. I love it actually like this half. It's just, I don't know, and this green complements it very well. It's so beautiful. I think I'm actually gonna make myself one like this. I just love this size. It's a beautiful size, and yeah, so I was really debating keeping it for myself, but then I thought, you know, I can always make another one, and I thought I'd share with you guys. Just to let you know, stay tuned on my channel. I will have a couple more tutorials, some fun things in December I've got planned, how to use up those cards from the year before, different crafts you can do with them, different fun Christmas things that you can do with your kids as well. I might consider, if you guys are interested, in possibly having one of my kiddos doing possibly a video with me. I don't know if that would interest you guys, but if you do, just let me know. And yeah, and I am also working on some crochet covers for journals, so that will be coming out as well. Here's one of her. I did not use the belly bands in here. I'm not sure why. I kind of forgot about them now that I think about it. And this is one of her beautiful envelopes. I do have her belly bands over right beside me, so I can show you guys. And whoever decides to purchase it, if you guys want me to put it somewhere in the papers, just let me know and I can add it. I will add it to the journal itself, like separately, if you guys want to add them. Here they are. They're so pretty. Oh, I forgot to cut the edge of that one. Sorry. Here's one of them. And I also have a couple more kind of like little label pieces that go with this kit as well that I will add in here. So I might actually add a couple more papers as well. So anyways, I just thought I'd show you guys what I've got so far, and it is available right now on my Instagram feed. I will link the information below. If you see this video and you really like it and you want to claim it, you want to get more information, please contact me. You can email me, you can message me on here. I watch for messages all the time, and I will contact you, and then we can go from there. It is still available. So, and it's got this beautiful little seam binding on the side that you can close up your journal with it. So I hope you guys are having a great day. It's really great today, and I'm trying out this light. Let me know if it's better. It's like a blue light, I believe. So hopefully that helps for lighting and there's not too many shadows. So anyways, you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.